Hey guys, my name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Derma I PR package that came in the mail. So they usually do send me their packages, like PR packages, because I am on their PR list, and it's a really great company. I freaking love it. Like, to be honest, I 100% use every product that they sent me, and I'm gonna be unboxing it for you. Sometimes it's not a lot, it's like one product or two products, and it seems very light, so we're probably looking at about one product, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and let's just get into it. Their packaging is always so cute. Look at that. So their packaging is super cute, as you guys can see. Look at that, all the little like cute outlines and stuff, really cute. And then they have like this brown grass. So I know that this company is very like natural, eco-friendly, and they're 100% vegan, 100% soy free, and also cruelty free, so that's really cool. The first thing that I see in here is this product right here. Hopefully I'm focusing. So this is the Derma I Blue Light Shield Spray with blue-green algae, activated charcoal, ginseng root extract. And also guys, I'm sorry about my hair. I couldn't really fix it because I have missed many appointments, but let me know in the comments if you think I should go darker. I'm thinking of just getting rid of the blonde, but I don't know, kind of like 50-50. But anyway, so it comes in this package like this. Let me open it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It looks like liquid, like green boogers, like seriously. Ugh. Kind of looks weird, but I mean, I can't try it out now because I do have makeup, but I will be doing a skincare video really soon. Like this, and I'm afraid to spray it because I'll get it on things, and I'm not gonna do that. So it says Blue Light Savior enriched with lutein to help shield skin from blue light. This mineral-rich spray nourishes, rebalances, and revives stressed skin, which is my skin. Yeah, so it like brightens your complexion. How to use: shake gently before using, hold and press, close your eyes, and lightly mist on your face and neck. Spray over makeup to set in place. Use anytime to re-energize and de-stress skin. So I really thought like you couldn't use it over makeup because it looks green. Pretty sure you guys can see that. I'm kind of scared. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna spray it. I don't know, I was trying not to smell. Hold on. Feels like cooling, you know? I don't really know what else to tell you about it, but it feels cool. I mean, I'll keep on trying it and let you guys know what I think. Next product in here was this one here. This is the Blue Light Shield Concentrated Serum. So it's kind of the same thing. Is it green? Yeah, it's like, okay. So it comes like this in this little bottle. It's a glass bottle. And I guess I don't want to make a mess. So it's like a green little booger. I don't know if you guys can see that. It smells like ginseng. If you guys know what ginseng smells like. But yeah, and it feels really smooth. I'll for sure try this like after I take off my makeup. Concentrated mineral rich serum delivers skin boosting moisture to help defend. Apply onto clean face and neck. Use in the morning and evening alone or combination with your favorite Derma I moisturizer. Cool. So it is a serum before your moisturizer, so I will be trying that. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out, and I think that's it guys. I will talk to you guys in my next